Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we will show you how to import photos to your products in your Shopify store. Adding high-quality images helps showcase your products better and can increase customer trust and boost conversions. Let's go through this step by step. On your Shopify dashboard, go to Products. From here, click Add Product, or you can import your products. Next, select the product you want to add images to, in this case, a t-shirt. Now, to upload or import an image, click the Upload Image button. Then, choose your images or go to Show Files and navigate to your folder. You will see your images there. If you have multiple images, simply select the ones you want, and then click Open. As you can see, we are now uploading the images to your Shopify store. Once the images appear, click Save. Once it finishes loading, the save is confirmed and we are all done. We have successfully uploaded photos to your products on Shopify. That's all it takes to import photos to your products in your Shopify store. Great visuals can make a big difference in how customers perceive your products.